Hello everyone, here is another video on the same exercise 10-5 systems of equations. So this video will be talking about question number 4, number 5, and number 6. They're all pretty much they're all the same type, and I will go over two examples with you guys in this video. Alright, so let's get started. So here I have I've taken an example here, so let's try to solve this. Alright, so we need to find out if each point in the table, so we have one point here, another point here, another point there, if each point is on line 1 or line 2 or maybe both or none of them, right? Or maybe none of them. Alright, so we need to test these 3 points with both lines. Okay, so how do I test if this point is on line 1 or not? How do I test it? Or how do I test if this point is on line 2 or not? It's actually very easy. What you do is, okay, so here my x value is 1, right? My x value is 1. My y value is 6. Alright, so let's test this with line 1 first. So my x value is 1. Let me just put that down. My y value is 6. Let me put it there. And I'm testing it with my line 1. So here I have my y, which means my y is equal to 6. So let's just put down the 6 there. Is equal to -9. That's just what the equation gives me. And I have my x. My x, since the point that I'm testing has an x value of 1, I'm going to replace my x with 1 plus 15. Okay, so when I'm testing if a point is on a line or not, I need to see if this is actually true or not. So let's see if this is true. So on my right hand side is I'm just going to have a 6. On my right hand side I have -9 times 1, I have -9. -9 plus 15. Alright, -9 plus 15 is equal to 6. So my left hand side and my right hand side, this is true. So which means the point is on the line. Okay, the point is on the line. Okay, let's test this point, the same point, 1, 6. However, this time with line 2. This time with line 2. Alright, I'll write that in red. So now my line 2 equation is 8x plus 5y is equal to 1. And since I'm testing the point with 1, 6. So my x is equal to 1, my x is equal to 1, my y is equal to, is going to be equal to 6. And let's put that in. So I have 8, my x is 1, plus 5 times my y is equal to 6. And I need to see if my left hand side is equal to my right hand side. My right hand side is just 1. So 8 times 1 gives me 8. 5 times 6 gives me 30. Is this equal to 1? So obviously no. So this is 38. 38 is not equal to 1. So which means this is false. Right? This is false. Sorry. 38 equals to 1? No way. Right? So this is false. Which means this point, 1, 6, is not on line 2. Okay? So 1, 6 is on line 1. The point 1, 6 is on line 1. However, the point 1, 6 not on line 2. Okay, because the left hand side did not equal to my right hand side. Alright, you guys get that? Alright, so in this case, since 6 is equal to 6, so it's all good. In this case, this is true. So line 6, the point 1, 6 is on line 1. However, when we substitute 1, 6, the point 1, 6 into the equation for line 2, the left does not equal to my right. So the point 1, 6 is not on line 2. Okay, so we just do the same thing for other points. So now let's test with the point 2, -3. Okay, 2, -3. I'm going to show my working down here. I'm going to show my working here. So my line 1 equation, let me put it down. So in this case, my x is 2, my y is -3. Right? So let me test with line 1 first. So for line 1, let me test it. So my y here, I have y is equal to -9x plus 15. My y in this case is -3 because I'm testing it with that point. My y is equal to -3. Is it equal to -9 times my x is equal to 2 plus 15? If it's true, then the point is on the line. So let's see. So here we have this is equal to -18 plus 15, which is equal to -3. So on my right hand side I have -3. On my left hand side I also have -3. So -3 is equal to -3. This is true, which means the point 2, 3 is on line 2. Is on line 1. Right, it's on line 1. Let's see if the point 2, -3 is on line 2 or not. Right, is it on line 2 or not? Let me change a different color. Let me go with green. So I want to test if the point 2, -3 is on line 2 or not. So here I have 8. My x is now 2 plus 5 times my y is -3. And is it equal to 1? We'll see if this is equal to 1, if this is true or not. So this is 16 plus 5 times -3, so this is -15. Is it equal to 1? So on my left hand side, 16 minus 15 gives me 1, which is equal to my right hand side, which is also 1. So this is also true, which means the point 2, -3 is on line 2. Line 2. So 2, -3 is on line 1, 2, -3 is on line 2. So on Aleks, you will have to click on this box right here. This box, because this point is on both line 1 and line 2. Alright, so just do the same thing for the next point, -3, 5. Your x value is -3, your y value is 5, and put them in the equations here, the x values, the y values, and see if your left and right are equal to each other. If they do equal to each other, then the point is on the line. If not, then the point is not on the line. And then just choose your answers respectively. Oh, so for the first point that I used, since it is only on line 1, right? It is on line 1, but not on line 2, you'll have to color this box. Sorry, I did not do that just now. Alright, good luck guys. Email me if you need help. See ya.